Hey, this is Steve with Dabble Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to debug Lambda functions that are used for Alexa skills. So yesterday I submitted a skill that was rejected, and this was actually a skill that had been previously approved, but I made some updates and there was a bug in my code that I missed, and the certification team caught it, and so I needed to go debug and figure out what was going on, and I thought that would be a good opportunity to create a video, so that's what I'm doing. So the skill that had the problem was a skill called Suggest a Beer, and it lets users get local craft beer suggestions based on a state in the United States. So they can say, Alexa, ask Suggest a Beer to suggest a beer from California or suggest a beer from Florida. And I tested all the states, but what I didn't test is something other than a state, and that's what was causing the problem. And so the certification team sent me an email saying that this utterance was throwing an error. So what I did was I just copied the utterance that was having the problem, and I went over to the developer console and logged in to go to the test area for the skill, and then I used the service simulator to just recreate the error. And sure enough, and from the service simulator, you can get a little bit of information, but it's not super helpful. So if you hover over the little red X, I can see that it's a parse error. So what I really need to do is figure out what's going on in the skill code itself. And what I do to get that is I'll copy the service request from the service simulator here and then go over to the AWS Management Console for that skill, and then configure the test event for the skill. So I'll just copy and paste it in, so you can literally just exactly what was causing the error in the service simulator, and then save and test. And sure enough, it's throwing the error here, but this provides me with all the details that I need to go in and debug it in my code and fix it. You can also get this information from the CloudWatch log. So if you go to monitoring and then view CloudWatch logs and look at your most recent log, and if you go in here, you can dig through and find the event that's the error event. So this is another way to get pretty much the same information, but I don't normally do that. I'll usually get what I need right from the test event results for the Lambda function. So just a quick, easy way to debug your Lambda functions. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comments section and I will respond just as quickly as I can. If you did find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the Dabble Lab channel. Thanks so much.